Today's product spotlight is on the Tesla UK range of towel rail elements. We offer a range of electric heating elements designed to be fitted into your towel rail radiator. This can be part of the wet installation on the central heating system or for electric use only. Inside the box, we have your towel rail element, a dual fuel T-piece, a 1/2-inch chrome plug, and also a white cap should you wish to change the chrome one already fitted. They're available from 150 watt to 600 watt. They're IP64 rated, BEAB approved and CE marked. They feature an integrated thermostat designed to hold the water temperature between 60 and 65 degrees Celsius. These are perfect for heating your towel rail. If you would like any more information on this range or would like to become a stockist, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.